Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have a quarter of a fish head here, tiger grouper. I'm going to steam it. Later you're going to see the beautiful white flesh coming up from the steamer. After you wash the fish, put on a few pieces of ginger and sprinkle a little bit of fine salt. Then we need to heat up the steamer. Once the steamer is heated up, we can carefully put in the fish in the middle. Steam it for approximately 10 minutes and we go and make the sauce. I'm going to steam the fish by making some taucu sauce. Yeah? So I have some taucu here, about 1 teaspoon, and then 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and also some ginger. So we're going to saute this and make the sauce. Give it some oil. Once the oil is heated up, so we're going to saute the taucu, garlic and also ginger. Brown this a little bit, yeah? Then we're going to add in some filtered water. Give it a little bit of light soy sauce. Oh, tune out the fire by the way. A bit of oyster sauce. If you prefer darker color, you can add in some dark soy sauce if you like. Give it some fine salt and a little bit of fine sugar. A few dashes of white pepper. Done. Our very yummy, very appetizing steamed fish sauce is ready. This is after 10 minutes. Oh, you all must see the fish. Let me show you. Look at how beautiful the fish is. And around it, there are some fishy water. That is the source of fishiness. We're going to remove the fishy water, yeah? Right, I have removed the fishy water together with the ginger. Then we will bundle the fish with the steamed fish sauce we just made a while ago. And we shall garnish it with some this is fresh coriander. I only have the stems left. Alright. I hope you like my very simple steamed tiger grouper with me tonight. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.